Okay, we're going into the boiler room here. You can see the active leak. These are the new traps that Ryben had installed. There's the tunnel. It just kicked on and fired up. Seems to be short cycling though. I got a call for number 3 that has no heat. All other units seem to have heat. Here's kind of what we're looking at. Why we've got blow off there. There's your main vent coming out into the chimney. Chimney is now cleaned out, has the plug for the chimney clean out. Here's the new section of pipe that Ryben had repaired and welded in directly above us. Goes from there over to that 90. Water heater. It's going to need some maintenance one of these days. That's going to go. That's in pretty bad shape also, as we know. This is your other new pump, overflow tank, controls, old boiler.